excursion adventures. You won't believe, today we're going to a hidden gem on my island. The way to go there is a bit tricky, but if you follow the navigation map, it will bring you to a rocky beach called Bazalka Beach, and then you follow the small bushy road to reach there. Small vehicles are much easier to access the place. From where we park our car, it's about 10-minute walk in the bush to reach the abandoned prison on my island.
So we are going to explore an old prison which is here for many years ago and has been abandoned. So let's go and check it out. This is the truck. I don't know what we will see today.
The old prison, often associated with the Grand Police Bay area on my Seychelles, is a historical site featuring ruins that represent the island's colonial and penal past. Nestled in the south, this area contains remnants of sturdy stonework and at one point served as a correctional location near the wider southern side of the island. This historical landmark is not just a relic of the past, it serves as a reminder of the struggles and stories of those who once inhabited its walls. The architecture of the prison is striking, with its sturdy stonework and imposing structure that evokes a sense of both awe and curiosity. Visitors can wander through the grounds and imagine the lives of the inmates and guards, getting insight into the penal history that shaped this area.
Alright, here, very long time ago there was prisoners here. I will find the story later on. Let's try to go in and see. Looks like this one was a... that's where they were taking the shower here.
You want to go up?
Yeah, let's go.
There's no spiders.
Yeah, it's just on the wall. There's no spiders, just... Just follow me. Wanna come?
As you traverse the pathways, you'll encounter informative plaques that share snippets of the prison history, shedding light of its significance within the local context. Whether you are a history buff or simply looking to experience something unique during your travels, the old prison offers an enriching experience. Be sure to set aside enough time to explore its grounds, as there is much to learn and discover. This landmark is not just about the past, it's about understanding the journey of a community that has evolved over time.
So what would be here? I guess seems like it was the kitchen here. And there's a lot of cells.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, and the cells are over there. Here they are. Now come. Need to take pictures here. So these are the cells of the prisoners of wow. So it seems like the most dangerous prisoners was in this one.
My birthday.
So this one is the blend, and yeah, comparing to this one, it's just the open grill one. Hey. Guys, can you hear that? Hear that? People are screaming. People are screaming. People are screaming. So we are back where we left the car. So this is the road here. We came through this road here.
We made it! We made it! We made it, guys! We made it!
We made it.
Scared?
No words.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
50-50? Yes, same. Because we have strange feeling when we arrive there, when we see the prisoners'
Yeah,
cage.
and
It's like
there
feeling
was,
sad. Like we don't
and
know what
also there was
happened.
some weird noise was going on.
Yeah. Yeah.
But still, we went through all.
Yeah.
All right,
We made it, guys.
let's go.
Let's go now.
This was a nice visit at the old prison. We had strange feelings being there, especially not knowing what happened and why it was abandoned. If you guys know the history of that prison, please feel free to comment below. On the way, we saw some cows in the wild. Just be careful when driving, they can cross anytime. So now we are heading to Takamaka beach. You won't believe, guys, we saw a big tree of star fruits on the way, and yeah, we had to stop and ask for some. We got a big bag from this kind Seychellois. Thank you. They were so juicy. We stopped by Tika's Takeaway at Belazar. These small street food trucks are the best to try local food, and it's much cheaper. Their seafood stir-fry noodle is so yummy. Here you go. Are you guys here every day? Yes? Next stop is Takamaka Beach. We wanted to do the trail to the rock pool, but unfortunately it was way too late and the tide was high. So we decided to do a drone footage from the beach instead. There are plenty of parking spots arriving there, and you can see few tortoises at the entrance. Takamaka is often described using words such as picturesque, stunning, and breathtaking. Once you arrive here, it's very easy to see why. The beautiful scenery, crystal clear water, and gorgeous sandy surface combine to create an incredible beach location in the southwest of Mai, the largest of the Seychelles Islands. Rossedier, often called the Mai Rock Pool, is a natural saltwater tidal pool on Mai Island, Seychelles, located on the coast near Takamaka. Known for its 27-foot deep and 16-foot wide, clear emerald green bowl-like shape, it was naturally formed by the ocean eroding the granite coast and is a popular yet hidden scenic spot. The pool is a head-scratching geological feature and a natural rock formation which has now been classified as a national monument. Reached via a roughly 20 to 45-minute hike through a forest trail starting from Takamaka. It is best visited during low tide to experience a calm pool-like environment, while high tide can cause strong, dangerous wave surges. Avoid entering the water if the sea is rough, as it can be dangerous with whirlpool-like conditions. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our video, please put a thumb up to let us know we're doing well. You can also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow us on Facebook, MNY Adventures, for more photos. We're also on TikTok sharing our adventures. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Bye.